As you're well aware, Canada is experiencing a declining population, an aging population. The average age is 45 years. Kenya, on the other hand, is experiencing a youth bulge. 75% of our population is comprised of those who are 35 years and below. And therefore, with the many job opportunities that are opening up in the various provinces in Canada, we felt it wise that we invite them to come and appreciate the curriculum that we have, the kind of training that we give our young people, so that immediately after they are through with their course, they can then be able to access the Canadian labor market. We are made to understand that the medical sector in Canada is in need of a number of nurses, doctors, technicians, health technicians, and the like. And the same also with the construction industry. They are in need of masons, they are in need of electricians, and various other professions that obtain in the construction sector. So with all these opportunities opening up, Kenya would wish to capitalize on the same, but the best way out is for us to eventually sign a memorandum of understanding with the province of New Brunswick, so as to ensure Kenyans are able to move to this country of destination in a structured, in an organized way, without any Kenyan being duped in whichever way. As you may be aware, we initially had about 1,200 recruitment agencies. About 2 years ago, we have reduced the number substantially by 50%, so that we only have those agencies that are serious in this business engaged in taking Kenyans abroad. And we have warned Kenyans repeatedly that with the tourist visa, you cannot be able to access the international labor market. What you need is a work permit. And therefore, what we are doing currently is to guarantee Kenyans that the jobs that have been advertised and uploaded on the National Employment Authority portal are jobs that are genuine, and they can easily access these jobs. Any other job that may be advertised by a recruitment agency on social media, on print media, on electronic media, that has not been uploaded on the National Employment Authority Integrated Management System is a job that does not exist, because all the private recruitment agencies that are regulated by National Employment Authority have to upload the job orders that they have on the system.
So we have a need for labor, and we understand in Kenya there is in some cases a surplus of labor. We have a very old demographic in New Brunswick. Our average age is 45. I understand the average age in Kenya is much below 35, and in many cases is 18 or 19. So we're here to explore partnerships between healthcare professions, skilled trades and construction, as well as education and early childhood educators. And those are our three priorities in New Brunswick, Canada, and we're here to talk to Kenya about future frameworks and partnerships around mobility. We understand the President of Kenya has an interest in labor mobility for Kenyan citizens, and we have an interest in attracting people to Canada and to New Brunswick to work in those various fields. So a great question. One of the things we are here to learn about is how does the training work in Kenya, who sets the standard, and who delivers the certification. And then based on that, we'll be able to help match that with both a New Brunswick standard and a Canadian standard, and be able to say, well, hey, your bricklayer in Kenya is very similar to a bricklayer in Canada, or perhaps it's very different. We don't know yet, but that's one of the reasons why we're here.